No way. A cod without a tail. You're joking. Hang on, buddy. I'm going to net you because I really want to get a good look at this. Wow. Absolutely amazing what fish can go through and survive. He has absolutely no tail. And he's got a massive big crab down his guts. Look at that. He's obviously still eating well, despite the lack of tail. Oh, just spat the crab out. Good sized crab. Unbelievable. Cod with no tail. Off you go, mate. Yep. Oh yeah. Big cod. Good sized cod anyway. Beautiful. That's jack bycatch right there. Always get estuaries when you're going after jacks. Yep. It's alright, it's probably close to the biggest I've ever got. They don't really get too big in here. Once they get up to a certain size, they head out to the reef like the jacks do. But I mean, that's not bad for an estuary. And see, what that was is noticing commotion. There was some splashing activity around that snag. So I put the cast in where it was splashing and bam, straight on. Nice. Very nice. Whee! Settle, settle, settle. Not bad. Yep. Oh, yep. Yep. That feels better. Oh, it's a good sized cod. Definitely not a bad sized cod. It's about the same as the one I got before. Maybe a little bit bigger. Definitely chunkier. Yeah. I knew there had to be something sitting in this corner. Look at it. Beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, that's a nice sized cod. That's almost keeper size, that one. Lovely. Yeah, I think pretty sure. Just a button on top. That's a nice sized cod. Pretty happy with that. Yeah, he's I can get a measure. Oh, easy 300. He'd be 45. Sorry, mate.
I don't know. When we go next, you said?
Yeah.